bad accident right now.
There's like 8 cars over here. Oh my god, John, the car.
I literally had to jump
Oh my god.
off it. This is the worst accident ever.
Move, guys, move.
Because
Move, guys, move!
Oh my god, what the Sean, oh my god.
get out of it, get out of it.
Hit over there? He hit us.
Destroyed everyone, man.
I know, man.
My feet are on freaking.
It's okay.
Oh my god.
Inshallah.
I have to
Yo.
get our car.
Oh my god.
Yeah.